Hello and welcome to Dubai Trains. For my layout, my go-to ground throw are these fantastic Caboose Industry nylon little ground throws. They're really cheap and durable, and they do exactly what you expect from a ground throw. So I'm going to show you how to install one right now. How to install one? Well, here we have the ground throw, and here is the turnout. This is just a diagram I'm working on. So the first thing what you need to do is make sure that the pin fits in the hole of the throw bar. This one fits because I already made it fit, because normally these pins for the PECO turnouts are just a bit too big, which is all fine and dandy. You just take a file and file it off all around, then it fits. Now these things can be a bit tricky to install, and I looked on the website if there's a better way to install them, but how I do it is actually the official way. So what you do is you want to find out the center point first. So you put the throw in the upward position, and then what I do is make sure everything's aligned. This is a little bit critical. And then first you put the turn out to one of the directions, and I mark the hole, mark the other hole, then throw it, and mark the other holes. So if you did this correctly, then you have 4 holes. You can barely see it. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is under an angle, so they're not aligned with the grid. So then I pre-drill in the middle of the 2 holes. So then we have the middle of the middle, so it should all line up nicely. And then it's just a matter of hammering in some nails. This can be a bit fiddly. So I don't hit them in all the way, I just do it halfway just to check to make sure if this can work. Yes, it can. And then get this guy. That's how I install the manual Caboose Industries ground throw. Now as you see, it's a little bit loose. I could tighten it up a little bit. I don't mind that that has a little bit of play. And if you want to see how I lay the rest of the track on this diagram, click the video on the left. Thank you all for watching. That's it for today. Bye bye.